Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that says thanks. It really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a cordless mini buffer polisher by a company called RAYBAO. This is the box it comes in once you order it. Then once you open it up, you are going to get it in this nice little carrying case, which will store everything nice and neatly for you. You will, of course, get an instruction manual that tells you how to operate it and change out the various heads. So let's go over everything you are going to get. First off, you are going to get a ton of various polish attachments. So you get each little bag here, you get different sizes, and there's 5 in each one of them. So you can see you get a ton of options on here when it comes to making sure your car is perfect, your showers, your cooktop, whatever you are cleaning and buffering, you get a ton of stuff. And then there's a bag here with a bunch more of buffers. So if you're utilizing this for wax, you can do that. If you're just looking to buff out any scratches, you can do that. It has a lot of various parts. So in addition to all the various pads of different sizes, which all attach via Velcro, very easy to use, so we'll show you that in a minute. You are going to get a charging base station here that just plugs into a standard. You can mount this on the wall. It does have 2 little hooks there if you so choose. Doesn't include the mounting hardware, but you can do that. Then you are going to get 2 of these little batteries. So these are a 12 volt, 2000 mAh battery. Each one of these guys is going to give you about 15 minutes of runtime, depending on your setting that you are running on. This thing has 6 different power modes, so that's going to drastically change the battery usage. It takes about 90 minutes to charge one of these up if it's completely wiped out, so keep that in mind. Then you're also going to get this little plastic piece here, and you're going to see, you also get like a brush attachment, so if you're like cleaning the spokes of your wheels, you can do that. This is a soft bristle one, and then you have a little bit more kind of like firmer one, also just bristle, and then you have also this little smaller Velcro attachment which you can utilize. So this thing has a 1.5 inch, which is this one, or a 2-inch attachment. Obviously the larger attachment is for these guys right here, where the smaller attachment is for these. So the only reason you're going to be using the different buffing pads is if you're trying to get in like a tinier space. So this is going to be more like what you're using generally on your car, where this is going to be maybe using if you're using on the interior, kind of the dash, or kind of tight areas that you want to get into. Now it does do 3 different types. So it has a straight up rotary, which is a nice tight buffing, or it can do a 3mm or a 12mm random orbital. And so that's what these little things are. So the rotary one attachment is right here. And then you have 2 of the orbital random ones, and you're going to change those out on the device, and they include the little tool how you can basically put that on and swap those out depending on what you need. Obviously, the orbital ones are nice for buffing large surfaces on your car, and so that's what's on here right now. And as you can see, it's really easy to put these on. You got a nice big Velcro piece. You just make sure it's centered, and then push it on nice and neat, and you are good to go. How you're gonna change these off, there's a little button right here. You're gonna press that down and hold it, and then you'll twist this off and then use the tool to swap it out. Super, super easy. Now the battery slides in right down here at the bottom. One of the nice things about this thing is it is super lightweight and easy to use. So it's really comfortable in my hand. It weighs just a little bit over 2 pounds. And then to give you an idea of this handle is about 14.5 inches long. So once again, while utilizing this, you can easily use it with one hand. You can utilize it with 2 hands. It's really comfortable to hold. Now how you turn it on is you're just simply going to press that button. As you see, it easily goes without any issues. Now, up here at the top, you can increase the speed, or you can decrease the speed. So here are those 6 settings right there on the top part, and then it also has a battery indicator. So why are you going to be utilizing those different speeds? Well, it depends on what you are doing. If you are basically kind of just like light buffing your car, you're going to want it on the slower speeds. If you're kind of doing the waxing, or you can have it on the more polishing and stuff, you can do it on the more medium speeds. And then if you're really trying to kit something and get it nice and clean or strip anything, then you want it on the maximum speeds. Like, just be careful when, depending on your attachments, that you don't want it to scratch anything. So make sure you have all the buffer pads on there. But overall, I really like this device. It's super easy to use. I love the fact that there's no cords or cables, so I can take this to my car, completely buff it out. I also like to use it on my cooktop in the kitchen to get rid of all the little stains and whatnot. I just put down a little bit cleaner agent, and this buffs those out really, really nicely. So if you are in the market for a mini cordless polisher or buffer, I totally think this one is worth checking out. It comes with a ton of pads and attachments, and for those reasons, I really do like it. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those, and that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.